Hi guys, welcome to my channel Miss Bird. I'm Sarah. I'm going to show you how I made a little memorial dog bowl for our family dog who just passed away, Bobby. I wanted to do something nice with her collar, and if you watched last week's video then you'll have seen a haul, and I said that I would be making a little memorial bowl for her to give to my mum. So the first thing that I did was to get Wogan to check that my tools were correct. I'm using one of Argos's cheapest drills from a few years ago, and I'm not gonna lie guys, drilling a hole into this dog bowl took a long time. I'm just crossing some masking tape, painter's tape, across the middle where I'm going to drill my hole. This was just a bit of a safety precaution. I read somewhere that it helps to stop any cracking that will come along with drilling. I'm using the largest drill bit from a masonry drill bit set that I got from Wilko. Then I'm just using a moderate amount of pressure because I don't want the bowl to crack. And I probably drilled for around 10 or 15 minutes in total. I put some water in the area that I was drilling in because the drill bit was getting very hot, so that was just to cool it down a bit. I'd recommend to do this. Once I finally managed to drill the hole, I started practicing how I wanted to write Bobby on the bowl, and I'm just doing this in a Sharpie. Then I just got some cactus and succulent potting mix and mixed it with some perlite, and that was going to be the soil medium that I'll be using for this little succulent pot. Then I just added it to the dog bowl and worked out where I wanted to put my succulents. Then I just decided to add some decorative stones on top of the soil. The next step was to attach Bobby's collar to around the rim of the dog bowl. So I got some double-sided tape for this, and I just cut off sections. If I was going to do this again, I would put the tape along the whole of the collar, just to make sure it's extra sturdy. Finally, I just added one of the plaques from Poundland, which says "Always by my side, forever in my heart," and it has a little doggy paw print on it. So I think this one turned out cute, and my mum was really happy with it. If you came here because you've just lost your pet, then I'm really sorry. I know how it feels, but I hope it's inspired you to do a little memorial for one of your little friends. You can follow me on Instagram at SarahBirdMusic. I've put a few pictures of Bobby at the end of this video if you guys are interested in seeing her. Thanks so much for watching guys.